Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone and I'm going to collaborate with my second account on my Instagram story. So I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on this plus button and then I'm going to pick random image from my gallery. Wait guys, I'm going to select for example this image. Okay, and I'm going to share the story to my Instagram. So I'm gonna click on your story, and to collaborate with someone we can mention the account on our Instagram story. Okay, wait, now this story is being uploaded and I'm going to add mention after the story has been uploaded. Okay, I'm going to click on more option and then add mention, and I'm going to mention my second account. So this is my second account guys, and I'm going to add it to my story so my second account can repost the story. Okay, now the mention has been added and I'm going to switch to my second account. Okay, usually we will get the notification on our Instagram direct messages. So I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages and check the notification. As you can see that my first account has mentioned my second account. I'm going to repost it. Okay, if we want to repost the story, we can click on add to your story. Okay, click on add to your story. Okay, and to get the full screen, we just need to tap on the image like this. And then before we repost the story, we can add sticker, text, or music. And I'm going to add sticker. Just going to add the sticker to my story. And then once we're ready to share the Instagram story, we can click on your story. Okay. And I'm going to check it guys. Okay, it's still processing, and I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, we can see the collaboration right here. This is the collaboration between my first account and my second account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to collaborate on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.